Ụmụakwụkwọ ndewo. Taa anyị ga-aga n'ihu ihe anyị mụrụ n'izu ụka abụọ gara aga. N'ụbọchị taa, kedu onye ma ihe ese? Kedu onye ga-ese mmadụ? Gịnị ka m dere ebe a? Ọzọkwa mmadụ.
You don't even know mangas, so how you expect to know mangas? A manga. Beginning after the end. You're one that didn't finish. Only to figure out what a manga is. I know what a manga is. Okay, but tell me what's a manga? What's the word has? But every anime has a manga. Every anime has a manga. Got some sword and got some play. What do you play for? I just got this. You guys are lucky. My family played I can really draw Sonic's nose.
Shinobi.
And eyes better than you.
Are you seeing it well? Okay. I should have pen, not pencil. Otu, abụọ, atọ, anọ, ise, isii, asaa, asatọ, itoolu, iri, na otu, na abụọ, na atọ, na anọ, na ise, na isii, na asaa, asatọ, na itoolu, na iri, that's iri abụọ. Iri abụọ na otu, iri abụọ na abụọ. 22 lines so far. So all we need when hold 22 lines on yours. Be sure to draw 22 lines. Shinobi is Chicago. And then the equipment look on the board. Leno my eba. Unala hebe ebemsi capital line. Okay. Ana mechuno. Are you all done?
No.
22 lines.
No, I'm not.
However I want to do it. Intro 22 lines. Akara iri abụọ na abụọ. Akara iri abụọ na abụọ. Aga dị ebe a. And ị ga-etinye ha ebe niile m tinyere ha. Ensure to put them where I put them. Okay?
Wait, why don't you do it? No, it's kind of scary. God. You're a little girl. No, it actually.
Aka n'ọnụ. Mechie n'ọnụ. Ihe anyị na-ese anaghị ekwu okwu. Line ndị m si unu tinye anaghị ekwu okwu. Can you all stop? Concentrate. You have 22 lines. Let me see your hand.
23.
I said 22, not more, not less. You know, you want to go 22 lines, right? Okay. Menu ngwangwa. 22 lines. Yeah. Okay.
So what's the other one?
Because on cat.
It's called one the one
Eba. Line. I got here all. Ihe anyị na-achọ ime bụ igosi akụkụ ahụ mmadụ. Ihe anyị na-amụta bụ ka esi akpọpụta akụkụ ahụ mmadụ. Ya bụ akụkụ ahụ anyị ka esi akpọ ha. We're learning the parts of human body. Today we want to represent them on a drawing. So when you put your arms like this, your leg, your feet like this, you can label all the parts of your body that we are concerned with. Ya bụrụ ọ na-inwe akara iri abụọ na abụọ nke ga-ezubeghị oke 22 Ifebuchi si na-emechago your line 22. Okay, can you come here and identify one spot that you know?
I don't know.
Any of them?
Okay, when you say like, I just say like the chin, the eye, the head.
Just level one.
Like what is actual names?
Level one in Igbo and English.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's right. Which one?
So, thank you.
What do you mean? Two lines.
Make sure it's correct. Yeah. English in bracket.
What's the point of actually copying if you can't add those details?
Thank you. Good. You know your answer? Junior.
Oh, thank you.
We're starting from the known to the unknown.
Unknown to the unknown.
From the known to the unknown.
Is that a cellular device? I hate iPhones so much. I don't. You can have your phone now. Thank you.
Very good. But then, tie bom nala. Tie bom.
That's so great. Here she is. I was somebody last night. Showing me all these.
Good.
Because that really
You know your answer? Yeah, just. So, whichever one has been identified, please label it on your own paper. Label it. Label anyone that has been identified.
What did you write? NTI?
Yeah.
I have to do it in English.
Is that NTI?
Yes.
NTI. So anyone that has been identified, please label it.
I don't think the years will work.
My Gabia is also.
Absolutely.
Every one of you will be able to identify all the parts of the body we're representing. Get a key there. Olu. Neck. Okay, that's good. Yeah. Olu. Neck. Artemis. Get on your answer.
You have to still pay for it. Amen.
Because he said he has two in one hand.
All right. Just go back to the board. Go.
Was it backpack?
That's what the waist
They said they were good.
How much did you get?
Where do you turn it?
Shoulder count.
Why are you writing it on top of the line? Huh?
Satire I.
Realistically, I could probably do like
He said Sergeant.
I really could.
Oh wait,
Mechie n'ọnụ.
That's how you say his name.
Mechie n'ọnụ.
Trying to put all the lines right.
I was actually in the future.
Does it get? There's a game. There's a game that's based off of solo leveling in Roblox. I mean, the name.
One child is I'll be talking to children all the time. One child, bro. I'll talk to children.
Kedu onye ọzọ? Anyị enwetago isi, anya, ntị, olu, ngụ. Yeah, take one.
Notes now. It's not like
Corona Junior aka. Kedu onye ọzọ? Aga m na-akpọ unu otu otu. Unu ha ekwula okwu. Aga m akpọ unu otu otu to go and fill in 2 or 3 before you come out. You better pay attention. Kedu onye ọzọ? At least we are starting from the known, right?
Yeah. I forgot what the nose is. What was that? It was a laugh. Wait, I wait, a nose? Oh. Anything that says wait, Beverly, you should not be laughing because I don't think you know what it goes.
The only reason you won that this song is
Bro, nose is easy. Wait, mention. Oh yeah, I forgot about that one.
Stupid. Have you not seen the text?
Okay, go ahead.
It's not like
Oh God. Can I use your restroom?
Yeah.
Hey yo, that restroom is nasty. Also need a glow up.
okay, those are earrings.
The arms and arms and legs. Bro, you actually need a glow up. That even has
Dai Corona Adam Osaka. Good. Kedu onye ọzọ?
Stop the cab.
Chibike.
No, then
He's going.
I'm getting your cake. I'll give it the last.
Unu na-eme mkpọtụ o. It's quite short.
Wait, yeah, you need to do, so that's your eyebrow. I don't know. You need to do red.
No.
It's like freaking crazy.
Wait, how many do you have? What's the last Sorry.
Music is.
Second name.
I listen to Sunflower.
Then it's English.
And your best thing was
Ọbama ogene Chibuike. Ọbama ogene. Anyị na-akpọ ya ụzọ abụọ. Ụkwụ.
Wait, that's
Aka n'ọnụ.
I put that here, you're writing.
Daberechi.
Sorry.
No. Okay. Otubo, Tommy. Yes. No.
Oh, yay, thanks.
I hate Who the heck is you? Yeah. Yeah.
Four.
Ariana? He said Rihanna.
All right. Corona Chibikaka. I got what there. Level it. Otubu or I know when they are Otubu.
Who's talking, bro? Why would he bleed like that? So what I don't say? She's giving them yeah. Exactly. You need someone to draw from because drawing sucks. Let me see yours. Yeah, bro does not want to uncover it. Bro does not want to.
You did good, huh? You did good now, walking. Junior, Cherry Gaza. Okay, get your bell.
He does so much.
Labels the stomach. Have you already labeled the stomach? English or Spanish?
If you say a word, then you have to run 50 miles around this house.
Under.
I was using his pencil.
Okay, Mauser, you talk. You have to run 50 miles. You know, a human speed is 16. He means running around the table. 16 is pretty low for you. If you go to 19 or 20, that's high.
Oh, but your legs would burn out by 20. Your legs would burn out by 5. I don't know why
Oh, no, you're not listening. When are you
So you're continuing?
When are you gonna run? And you gonna go 16 miles. Wait, what are you laughing at? I might call when is the
ankles and
and Mrs. Sarah said that she would deal with it and then she was still in school. Oh, I have no best teachers. Every teacher hates me. Every teacher hates me because
Valerie, did you remember that? Ubu?
No.
Okay. All right. Okay. Korono chiyer mugaka. Okay, Chidiogo.
I'm gonna go use that.
Comfortable.
Like,
It was bad.
Chisom, be a brooch ever.
One artist was my timer.
I'm waiting for some dance.
Kedo?
Go up.
Romaniki.
how I developed this drawing.
oh, that was
It all started from just drawing.
Last year's,
Arinze, what have you leveled? What are you doing? Just talking?
See, they're trying to label, but
You're trying.
yes, there's no space.
Ọ na n'ọnụ n'ọzọ ugbu a na onwe ihe unu na-eme. Aga m achụpụ mmadụ ezi.
Where's that nose?
Look at how many you've labeled and you've not done anything. You're on BC confessing.
No, I haven't labeled
Huh?
because I cannot see what is written on the board. I don't know what. I was kidding. Me too. Oh, we got it right over. Look, I have
Kedu onye ọzọ? Daberechi. Wanna put another one? Chibika, I'm not seeing what you're doing. Even the one you put by yourself. Yeah, go to the board.
You gotta do this. I need two more.
Skill issue.
Can you drop right here behind you? What is this?
I need belly button. What the heck? Belly. No. No, it's tiny.
At the bottom.
Oboyo Blaze Chala. Okay.
what are you talking about?
Ngwa kwụsịnụ. Mmadụ niile lee anya ebe a. Look on the board. Let's pay attention. Lee n'anya. Mmadụ niile. Look on the board. Stop. Junior. Okwụsịnụ. Stop writing. To go up one after the other. Stop to go up one after the other. Stop drawing, stop writing. Everybody. Kwụsịnụ. Lee n'anya na board. I want everybody's attention. Isi. Anya. Ntị. Imi. Ọnụ. Afọ. Otubu. Otume. Ọkpa. Ụkwụ. Olu. Ngụ. Ubu. Aka. Mkpịsị aka. Mkpịsị ụkwụ. Gịnị bụ nke a? Good.
I'm pursuing the music writing.
You got Trevor area. Where is the line coming from? All right, Gini Bunka. Lena, Gini Bunka.
That's eyebrow.
Gini Bunka. Huh? Ntutanya.
That's eyelashes.
Gini Kom.
I said that person you just told me.
Huh?
Wait. You can't I'm about to take that. What's wrong with you?
Bro. How do you go, bro? Yes, bro.
That's the only demon. You labeled the first one make gross.
Huh?
You labeled the first
I can.
one, like the first one.
Just not gonna talk.
Nka. Ntutu isi. Ntutu isi. Ntutu.
Don't you cry over stuff like you got names? Are you kidding? I'm not, bro.
Ntutu isi, sorry.
Ain't you the one
Hair.
want to go to the back of the seat? Bro,
Gini Bunka.
you're literally crying.
I am a leba.
You're literally
I am a good. Gini Bunka.
over going to the back of the seat.
What are you?
Stop.
Mechen onu.
No. Chin.
Gini Bunka. Aba. Gini Bunka.
Obi.
No.
Huh?
Call Gini. Obi. Obi, I'm gonna call in English.
Wait, I thought that was a chest. Chest.
Wait,
Heart.
I'm gonna look at yours. But I
Gini Bunka.
Does it look like there's an
Sure.
Huh? Gini call na Igbo. Huh? Armpit. I know.
I only have.
A na-akpọ ya mkpa abụ ma ọ bụ akpa abụ. Okay? Gịnị bụ nke a? Kedu ihe dere Chibuike just messed up everything.
Like I was saying.
Can't take back the love that I married. Bro, your singing sounds terrible. Me? Yeah. Bro, I never said anything. I didn't say anything right now. She just said my.
Why are you not listening? Why do you keep talking? You don't know.
Why is Otune pointing to his thigh?
Otubu.
Otubu is pointing to his belly button. So where is the thigh pointing to?
What do you suggest is done about it?
You moved the line. You wrote it.
Okay.
I put Otubu, and Otubu was right next to the other button. So I don't know what you're talking about. That's not my fault. Well, you're asking me to fix what I did. So you're saying that what I did. So who's running this button?
All right, get it, Bunka. Gịnị ka ọ bụ? Gịnị ka ọ? Thigh bụ gịnị?
Wait, thigh? Circle under the sea. Stop. No, she's really shouting. He's 5.
Lee ebe nke a chi, gịnị bụ nke a?
Oh, ibere.
Ibere.
We know.
Ibere.
Gịnị bụ nke a?
Huh? The heel?
Gịnị ka ọ bụ? Ikere ụkwụ.
It's the heel.
Praise your cheating.
Gịnị bụ nke a? Lekwa ụkwụ ebe a.
Yeah, let's check out the foot. You know, ankle. That, you know, what's your ankle?
Lekwa ankle ebe a. Gịnị bụ nke a?
That would be so funny.
What is standing like this on the floor?
A table. A table.
Your body part.
Oh.
Which part of your body is standing like
The
this?
bottom of heels.
And what is it called?
Feet. It doesn't have a name.
Your toes.
Fuck.
So Igbo nwere aha a na-akpọ ya ọ bụ ụkwụ. Oh, is it
Why is there so many?
Kedu nke a na-enyebe aha?
None of them. We did it all.
Okay, we did it all right.
Yes, that's the way.
Gịnị bụ nke a?
Anya.
No.
Anya.
Oh, that's the way. Teacher.
Gịnị bụ nke a? Mechitụ n'ọnụ. Nna bụ ife ngwa gafee ebe a. Ebe a.
T.
The voice is the loudest. I don't know why.
Oh.
We're out going.
Arinze, unu mechie ọnụ ugbu a. Gịnị bụ nke a? Chinacho m expo ahụ na gbara na
Pupil.
Gịnị bụ nke a?
Pupil.
What is this?
I.
Huh?
Anya. Daddy, Anya.
What is pupil?
Did you add another line? Did you add another line?
Yes, 23, 24. Gịnị bụ nke a?
It's a waste.
Waist or
Do we have a label to know? Yes.
It's the waist. Uku.
uku.
I thought that was a hip.
The same.
Okay.
So n'Igbo, uku ya ka a na-akpọ hip or sometimes waist. So we've done kind of differentiate between the two. Although when they na-akpọ hip or ọkpụ, I na-akpọ ya ọkpụ if you want to differentiate, which is still the same thing. Uku. Yes.
I did this.
Because the Eze is not really represented. That's why.
This is more than 10.
Yeah, I knew.
This guy's absolutely
I think it was her.
All right. Ngwa 2 minutes une decha ka anyị nwee ike anyị gụgharịa anyị agbatuo
Analogy over here.
Wait, this is
all right. Ka anyị bido nụ. Ntutu isi mmadụ niile. Ọzọkwa ntutu isi nku anya ntị imi ọnụ eze obi afọ otubo otume apata ụkwụ ikpere ụkwụ ọkpa ikere ụkwụ ọba ụkwụ mkpịsị ụkwụ mkpịsị aka ukwu aka mkpabụ akpabụ ngụ olu agba mkpụrụ anya nke anyị na-echefu
No.
ka anyị kụrụ onwe anyị aka kedu onye ga-agụta nwunye
Me.
ntutu isi mmadụ niile follow after him nku anya
ntị imi eze ọnụ obi afọ otume
kedu nke ọ apata ụkwụ ikpere ụkwụ ọkpa ikere ụkwụ everybody
ikere ụkwụ
ọba ụkwụ mkpịsị
aka ukwu aka Babu.
Mbabo.
Ngor. Olu.
Olu.
Aba. Mpu anya.
Mkpụrụ anya. Kọrọnụ Junior aka. All right. Kedu onye ga-egosi m mkpịsị aka ya?
Yaberechi wants to lose it.
Kedu mkpịsị aka gị? Okay. Sochi, gosi m nku anya gị. Okay. Chimamanda, gosi m ọnụ. Ọnụ. Chimamanda, ọnụ. Ọkwa klaasị ka ị bịara taa? I know. Chimamanda, gosi m ọnụ. Ọnụ. She knows it. She knows it. Artemis, gosi m imi.
She does.
Nose. Where's your nose? Imi. Good, good, good. Oh. Chinemeze, gosi m eze gị. Eze. Chinemeze, eze. Kedu ya? Gosi m, show me. Good, good. Chisom, gịnị wa aha nwanne gị? What's his name? Bright. What's your Igbo name? Bright, ị nwere aha Igbo? Ọ nwere aha Igbo? Gịnị wa aha Igbo ya? Chemeziem. Okay. Chemeziem, gosi m isi. Isi, show me. Your own, your own. Show me your isi. Touch it, let me see. Chisom, gosi m isi. Good. Daberechi, gosi m ntutu isi gị.
I know what it is.
Gosi m ntutu isi gị, gosi m ntutu isi gị. Good. Amanda, how much you gonna school? Nna bụ ife, gosi m ụkwụ. Ụkwụ. Baba, ị ga-anọ nwayọ. Nna bụ ife, ịma ihe bụ ụkwụ. Si n'obi, gosi m ụkwụ. Ụkwụ gị. Ụkwụ gị. On your body. Arinze, gosi m ụkwụ gị. Gosi m ụkwụ gị. Bed. Arinze, gosi m ụkwụ gị. Ụkwụ. Junior, gosi ha ụkwụ. Come and show, come and show. Be ebe a. Gosi m ụkwụ gị. Bịa, nọrọ ebe a. Ị hụrụ ihe o mere? Gosi m ụkwụ gị. It's not here.
Shins.
Ụkwụ. Gosi m ụkwụ gị. Arinze, gosi m ụkwụ gị. Chinora, gosi m ụkwụ gị. Gosi m ụkwụ gị. You see that you're not paying attention. Gosi m ụkwụ gị. Junior, gosi ya ụkwụ ọzọ. Chinora, gosi m ụkwụ gị. Good. There was Junior. Thank you. Febuche, gosi m apata ụkwụ. Apata ụkwụ. Good. Apata ụkwụ. Beverly, Chinyere m gosi m ikpere. gosi m ikpere gị.
Oh, okay. What is
Ikere ụkwụ. Oh.
Stop.
Gosi m ikpere gị. Okay. Chimemezuo, gosi m mkpa abụ gị. Mkpa abụ, akpa abụ. Okay. All right. Chibike, gosi m agba. Agba gị. Okay, kere go gosi m ntị. Chidiogo, gosi m ntị. Chidiogo, gosi m ntị. Chinyere m, gosi m ntị gị, ntị. Ntị.
No, not T.
Not ntị. Not ntị.
I know.
Yeah, ntị. Aga m akụchi gị. Aga m
It is not here.
ọ bụghị ntị.
It's hair. No.
No.
Okay, whatever. Okay, aga m
amawa gị ntị.
My cheek.
It's not here. Cheek.
No. Bro, would you
Where it is, and you guys know the difference between comments.
Does it have a C? K, right? So,
The tonation
ntị.
between the two.
Nke ntị. Kedu ntị? Okay. Ntị.
Uncle, stop adding more. It's
I'm not adding more. So outside of the tone, gabo e. That's the primary thing. Okay, before the tone. Nti. Okay. All right. All right, we're gonna go down it again and then Ayaba to Allah. We'll go down for our rehearsal. Okay, everybody.
Uncle, what's the difference between ear and key? Like
Yeah, so first, this is E. This is
E. So is it depending on the dot? On where?
yes, so the dot makes a lot of difference.
Oh, okay.
Then the second thing now is the tone mark, but primarily the dots. All right. Ntutu isi mmadụ niile. Isi. Mkpụrụ anya. Agba. Nku anya. Anya. Ntị. Olu. Ngo. Imi. Eze. Ọnụ. Obi. Mkpabụ. Afọ. Aka. Otubo. Otume. Ukwu. Mkpịsị aka. Apata ụkwụ. Ikpere. Mkpịsị ụkwụ. Ụkwụ. Ọkpa. Ọba ụkwụ. Ikere ụkwụ. Daberechi ngwa bịa gụpụtara onye. I was here shouting over my head. People are busy doing your own thing. Sochi, what's going on?
I was saying.
You heard you.
Aya. Inti.
Nte. Repeat that. Obi. Repeat that. Is that what I taught?
What?
Apata oko. Huh?
Yeah.
Yes.
Apata oko.
Apata.
Apata.
Bro, that's
Repeat that. Oba oko. Can you all pay attention? Abba. Mba abo.
Can you sit here and I need him to be toasted.
Where is it?
To the back.
Okay. Okay.